So let's start with something simple first, which is removing the air filter and air box assemblies. I'll get you guys in here closer so you can see what I'm doing. Some people find this complicated. I don't really. It's really just sort of the way the design is. So the way the filter sits in here in the center, it's a canister style filter. It's got this piece on the front that has a duct that runs to the grill and one that runs over to the side so it can pull air from either direction, and then it hooks into the turbo back here. It's got these clamps to hold it together, and the troublesome part about this is the filter itself is got this hard plastic housing on it. It's got two tabs at the bottom that hold this front piece and the run to the turbo, so you have to sort of wiggle things back and forth to get it out. It can help if you remove the battery, but you don't have to. It really is just one of those finesse things. So you've got to get this piece off, disconnected. You got to pull it up to pull those tabs out of the slot, and then you got to move it towards the rear of the truck so that it clears and gets out of the way, and the air filter can come up. The same kind of goes for this front piece. Now, this isn't connected to anything other than the air filter, so you can pull it up out of the way, or you can try to pull it out with the air filter element itself. It's really up to you, whatever works, whatever's easier. A lot of times they'll come up together like this anyways. And you got to keep pushing that other piece back to get it out of the way, and then that's it. So like I said, it's got this tab on the front that grabs the bottom piece of the front, slides in here, and then holds on with those clamps, and then the same thing back here. And then it's got these two tabs on the bottom that sit down into the bracket that the battery tray also uses to give it some support. And then there's a giant mouse nest in here. That's lovely. That's gotta add at least 50 horsepower. Our truck sits for long periods of time, given everything that's kind of going on with COVID and all that, so not surprised that there's an apartment complex of mice in here. So we'll clean that up as we go along too. So we'll keep moving forward, pulling all the rest of this stuff off. I just thought, since a few people have asked me about that in the past, I would show you guys real quick how to do that. So we'll keep